Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for electrical graduates. The name of the company is Kochi Metro Rail Limited. Now they have released an advertisement recruiting electrical engineers. So they have been released an advertisement on 4/5/2022. Kochi Metro Rail Limited is almost 50-50 joint venture of Government of India and Government of Kerala incorporated for implementation of Kochi Metro Rail projects and its operation and maintenance. So now they are calling for the post of engineer or senior engineer, both electrical, and total number of posts is one for each. It's a fixed term on a contract basis, so you will be getting quite a good high amount of salary. Basic qualification is B.Tech in electrical engineering or Diploma in electrical engineering. Other than that, you need to have minimum 4 years of post qualification experience in procurement and contract management installation, and you must have 7 years similar post qualification in experience as a diploma holder. For senior engineer, minimum 6 years of post qualification experience is required. Other than that, you need to have experience in managing solar power projects. You'll be getting a consolidated pay of 70,000 per month for engineer and 80,000 per month for senior engineer, and maximum age limit is 32 years. For senior engineer, 37 years. Age relaxation is applicable as per the reservation rules. So age relaxation and qualification as on 1/5, some relaxations will be given. No TADA will be paid by KMRL to candidate for attending the interview. Based on the selection of committee recommendation, a candidate of exceptional merit can be given enhancement of up to 15% on the consolidated pay. Grouping of discipline, that is mainly it's electrical or electronics. So how to apply is the applicant should read the instruction carefully in the website. An application form may be filled in online by selecting the link. So you need to scan and upload all your documents. Application forward to through any other means, fax or email won't be accepted. And last date for submission of online application is 18 May 2022. Kindly adhere to the date and follow all the instruction carefully. If you like these videos, kindly share the video to electrical and electronics people. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator.